What's up guys? Finally nagsimula na rin ang ating motovlog. At ang title ng ating motovlog ay Off Track. Join me as I ride off my usual track and go off track with my mind. So ang ginagawa natin, panonoodin lang natin yung magandang scenery at magre-reflect lalo na patungkol sa napakagandang creation ng ating Panginoon. Sabi sa Psalm 95 verse 4 to 6, "In His hands are the depths of the earth, the heights of the mountains are His also. The sea is His, for He made it, and His hands formed the dry land. O come, let us worship and bow down. Let us kneel before the Lord, our Maker." Oo nga naman, pwede nga pala tayong mag-worship kahit tayo ay nagra-rides. At ngayon, ito ang sisikapin nating gawin. Pero alam mo ba, habang ako ay nagsushoot, for the first time, kasi ito yung first video natin, talagang nainis ako sa sarili ko. Kasi nag-ride na ako ng 60 kilometers, tas pambihira. Hindi maayos yung pag-record ko, hindi maayos yung files, lahat nasira. Pati yung case ng aking camera, mali rin yung nilagay ko. Everything was just wrong. But this reminded me of something different. The Lord made the whole creation without an initial run-through. Hindi niya sinubukan, ginawa lang niya. At the end of what the Lord has made, ito ang sabi sa Genesis 1:31. He saw everything that He had made, and behold, it was very good. So ngayon, magpapasorsogon tayo at patuloy akong nag-iisip at nagre-reflect patungkol sa creation ng Panginoon. So tingnan natin yung mga ulap. Look at the clouds, the beautiful trees na nasa tabi natin. Mamaya po, may magandang mga fields. Pati yung lizard kanina, kung napansin ninyo, napakalaki nun, nagulat pa nga ako eh. Pero napaisip ako, who can fathom upon God's greatness that it is only through His Word all these were made? Sinabi lang niya at nilikha na niya yan. I stumbled upon all of these things and I realized there was like no other. The Lord's work is perfect. So, kung nabanggit ko na kanina, baka hindi nyo napansin, papunta tayo sana ng Sorsogon at sa SM Sorsogon dapat. Pero dumaan muna ako dito sa napakagandang coastal road ng Sorsogon Bay. Bakit po? Kasi ang ganda ng tanawin dito. Tingnan natin yung mga ulap. Tingnan natin sa left side natin na Sorsogon Bay yan at mamaya sa Rompiolas. Promise, sobrang worth it nang makikita natin. At ayan na nga. Sabi nga sa Psalm 19:1, "The heavens declare the glory of God, and the sky above proclaims His handiwork." Tingnan naman natin, indeed the Lord is amazing. Pero alam nyo ba, He does not just create things. He also works within us. It is written that those who seek God will find Him. Kaya ang aking panalangin, you will find Jesus today. You will seek Him, and He will make Himself known to you. Whatever you are going through, remember that there is a God who created this magnificent world, and He is just beside us. Go to Him and seek Him today. I pray na makikilala mo ang Panginoon, and as we look upon the wonderful creation, maalala mo, napakaliit lang natin sa Kanyang mata, pero minahal ka niya. That is who our God is. So thank you very much na sinamahan niyo ako sa aking off-track sa aking rides, off-track din sa aking mind. I hope to see you again on the next track.